What's up, Graham? It's Russ here. Wait, no, that's not right. What's up, Graham? It's Guys here. No, wait, no, that's not right either. What's up, you guys? It's Graham here. So, Russ, I want to congratulate you on getting to 100 shares of Pepsi. That is fantastic in 100 weeks. Well done. And for everyone who's watching this video right now, you have to subscribe and you have to hit the like button. I don't make the rules, but it's just something. You have to do it. You have to for the YouTube algorithm. So, Russ, congratulations. Really happy for you, man. And best of luck on the YouTube channel. And for everyone watching, again, like, subscribe, and then notification bell, and then comment down below because we got to boost up the algorithm. So, congrats, Russ.
Hey everyone, it's PPC Ian. I am here today to congratulate you, Russ, on your accomplishment of accumulating 100 shares of PepsiCo over the course of 100 weeks. Brick by brick by brick, you did it. Congratulations, and thank you also for your wealth of information that you share here on YouTube, on Twitter, and beyond. I am a fan. And what's so exciting about Russ's accomplishment is it just goes to underscore the power of slow, steady dollar cost averaging into a stock that is so world-class that it has weathered the current economic cycle, the current market volatility, quite well, in my humble opinion. Dividend stock investing for the win. Before I go, in terms of full disclosure, I am also long PepsiCo, ticker PEP. Once again, Russ, congratulations.
Hey, what's up? I'm Russ. I am a welder and a dividend investor that just completed my PepsiCo challenge of 100 shares in 100 weeks, buying one share a week. And I would like to thank the great Graham Stephan and the one and only Ian Lopik, aka PPC Ian, for those really awesome congratulatory messages. I truly do appreciate that, and especially Ian Lopik. If it wasn't for him, I may not be here right now as a dividend investor and a YouTuber. So it was around 2018 that I found Ian's channel. His message of dividend investing for everyone just really hit home with me, and let me know that it's okay that I don't have a background in finance, but I still can be a dividend investor. So please click the link in the description below. Head over to Ian Lopik's channel and subscribe to his channel. We need to get this man over 100,000 subscribers. If you love dividends like I do, you are going to love his video. And speaking of loving dividends, tap that like button and give us the old confetti thumbs up. I bought that first share of Pepsi on June 16th, 2020. And just wrapped it up May 12th of 2022. So it's been quite the journey spanning almost 2 years now. I love it. I had a good time. And also in the description below is a link to a Google Sheets page where you can see every single share I bought. And then I also have the dividends received to date. Some of the observations and lessons I learned after 100 weeks of buying that share of PepsiCo every single week was to start it all off. I knew that I would be breaking the Benjamin Graham and Warren Buffett rules of value investing. I wouldn't be placing an intrinsic value on the share of Pepsi. I wouldn't be buying with a margin of safety. I was just going to be putting my faith in a good, solid company that I understood, that I knew well, and that I think is going to be many more times valuable in the future. Some of the things I liked about PepsiCo was that they had that pricing power to maintain profit margins. They had that ubiquitous brand that we see everywhere. They're more than just a soda company, as you can see in this pie chart, that the bulk of their revenue actually comes from their snacks, from the foods, and not from the beverages. They have a good amount of international exposure. They're buying back shares, which increase your ownership. It increases our ownership in the business without having to do anything extra. And they are paying that growing dividend that they are now a dividend king because it has been increasing for 50 straight years. Now, I also remember when I was buying in the low 140s, I thought this was really expensive. And if I wasn't running this challenge, I wouldn't have been buying here. But guess what? I probably still would have been waiting, because once it was in the 140s, it didn't come back down to the low 130s, high 120s. I bought at all-time highs about a dozen times, and this really taught me that buying at all-time high is just a number. The ATH is a number, nothing more. It's a psychological thing that could be a barrier to your entry in a fantastically wonderful business. The lowest share I bought was March 3rd, 2021 at $129.80. And the highest at the tippy top was January 21st, 2022 at $176.25. Now, when PepsiCo goes ex-dividend on June 2nd, 2022 and pays that dividend on June 30th, 2022, on those 100 shares, we are going to receive $115. As you can see, we've already received $295.96 in dividends from PepsiCo. Add that with the $115 we're going to be receiving, that's $410.96. Now, when we divide that by the $15,039.81 that we put in to buy these shares, we will have received back 2.73% of our investment. So we've got about 97% to go. This is something that's really powerful, and why I want to hold these shares for a really long time, because every time those dividends come in, we're getting more of our investment back. And at some point in the future, if all things break right, we will have received 100% of our investment back. So the shares will be paid for and the dividends will be 100% gain at that point. I want to stress that I did this because I'm buying these shares of PepsiCo to hold for many decades, because they meet my internal benchmark of growing dividend income, and I'm not trying to beat an external benchmark like the S&P 500 performance. And I think this is really key, and if you were to do something like this, it must be something that you are planning on holding for many, many years in a business that you believe in and are very comfortable owning, like I am with PepsiCo. So a lot of people have been asking, what am I going to do now? Am I going to start another 1 share per week? I don't have any plans to do that, but what I do plan on doing is to continually keep investing, reinvesting dividends. And sooner or later, since PepsiCo is 13.5% of the portfolio, the combined portfolio that we share on the channel, it is going to start coming back down and get underneath that 10%, which is kind of the highest I'd like to see any one position at, is 10%. And if you'd like to follow along at home and pop on in every once in a while, head on over to DapperDividends.com, where I update the 3 portfolios we share on the channel every single weekend. Please do me a huge favor. In this little box next to my head, you'll see Ian Lopik's How to Invest $10,000 for Ridiculous Dividend Income. Click that, watch his video, subscribe to his channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, Graham.